Welcome back everyone, D-Man here. Got another quick project in the house. I purchased this at a yard sale, brought it home, and guess what? The wife don't like it because it doesn't match the kitchen. I knew that. I took a chance. I paid up for this bad boy, but here's my solution to it. Yep, I'm going to take off the paint and get it to that chrome finish along with the black accents. Paint the base black, and guess what? It's going to match the kitchen. So shout out to that. Only thing I do have to throw away is the bowls. The bowls are useless. It's unfortunate. They're yellow, so that's a bummer. And no, I'm not going to paint those for you wise asses out there. A lot of work taking this out. That's going to be cute down there. I did the base plate. Still got to take out a little bit. I'm going to leave this part yellow. It's only the bottom section. And the base. Started taking this one out. This is actually a hard plastic. I'm going to paint it black, or if I can strip it to the original black, that'll be really cool. And then I'll chrome it all out at the end. I'm also going to change the cord because, check it out, there's cuts in them. So, and I'll install a ground as well. Yeah. Time to paint the base. I'm going to paint it black. Alright. Time figure this out. So I have here a new cord I'm going to use. So there we go. That looks nice. This will also put pressure on here. Alright. Will she work? That's the question, right? Yep, there she goes, spinning. Alright, here she is completed. As you see, it matches the house a lot better. Not too bad. So I replaced the plug, got a nice new plug. On to the next project we go. Thanks for watching. Cheers.